Good day, viewers. Walter here. It's Saturday afternoon. Got to do a little maintenance today, whether I wanted to or not, on this old truck. Got ready to make my dump run today, and it wouldn't turn over. Turned out the old battery been in there since 2016, so I'm going to assume it's a dead battery. Not going to get a whole lot of maintenance done out here today, but we got to put this battery in here. Looks like I better get some sandpaper and sand under these terminals a little bit here. The bolts look pretty cruddy and rusty, but if I can get it tight enough to make contact, that's all I care. Let's go find some sandpaper. Didn't find no sandpaper. Let's just scrape it out a little bit. Got a little clamp-a-doodle to put down in there. First, I guess it matters which way it goes. Yeah, I looked at the battery, the date on the battery when I checked it this morning. I very seldom use this truck for anything to go on any trips, so I don't really keep it up like I should. But I can't make my dump runs without a working battery. We'll find out in a minute if it'll start. I just assumed it was a dead battery. This old 3.302 cubic inch engine, V8. It's been a good one since 1994. It says right here on the top of the dew funker there, it is Ford 5.0. Well, I couldn't think how many liters a 302 engine is. I had to look it up when I was into Walmart. Thanks to Google, we figured it out. So I picked up an oil filter, five quarts of oil, about 10W30. I think that's what it uses. I used to put high mileage oil in there when the oil change place was doing it for me. Completely faded out. What do it say? Anyway, we're gonna put some 30 weight oil in it. Not today. I'm tired from running around so much. My little nut driver ain't quite long enough to put any tension on that bolt. So let's grab it with the channel locks. Snug it up. That ought to be tight enough. Ain't like it's going anywhere. believe that's a 7/16 inch wrench. But I couldn't find one when I was looking in there, and I picked up this crescent wrench, and it turns out to be defective. I have to go back and find me a proper wrench. There we go, it's working. Alright, boys and girls, let's see will it start. Throw these tools down. With my luck, it'll turn out to be a bad starter or something. I just assumed it was a battery. Alright, I got my fingers crossed. Great. Don't tell me it's a solenoid. I don't even know where the solenoid... Oh, here it is, right here. I tried jumping it with a jumper cables, just in case that was a weak battery they sold me. All it does is click. I tried jumping these two terminals on the solenoid with the key switch turned on. They don't do anything. Tried tapping on it. Maybe it's the starter, maybe it's the solenoid. I don't think it's a brand new battery. You can hear it kind of click one time when you turn the key. Sounds like the solenoid's clicking. I can't be out there and in here at the same time. What do you think, viewers? Do Walter need a solenoid? Well, the starter has not been acting up any reason. I don't know why all of a sudden the starter would quit working. I noticed the last couple of times I started, it kind of hesitated for a minute. I'm thinking my solenoid is shot. We'll do a little video today on why my truck won't start. We got to do some more diagnosing, but I'm tired of mechanicking today. This is Pwalpar saying. I'm tired of mechanicking today. This is Pwalpar saying thanks for tuning in. I really ain't anxious to start doing a whole lot of work on this old truck. I want to change the oil in it this week, and I was going to. Now it's still nor the starter or something's got me stumped. What's your diagnosis? What's your diagnosis, fellow shade trees?